Today is a review, not on a Nerf gun, but on an Airsoft gun. This is the Stinger P311 by Crosman. It's also known as a M1911 Colt. Now, I'm just going to be going down the basics of this. This is the magazine for it, or clip. I'm just going to call it a magazine because it's a gun. What we're going here, this is the release for the mag. This is has a hammer prime like thing, but doesn't fire. Safety is right here. Can't cock it back, nothing. Safety off. You have a primed Airsoft gun. It's a simple thing. It's not good for your standard Airsoft wars, but it's good for backyard wars. So this is going to be a short video, just wanted to do something different. And yeah, that's going to be it. If you like it, hit like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.